What's up, guys? Whether you're hauling tools to a job site, packing gear for a camping trip, or just tired of everything rolling around in your F-150's bed, the right storage solution makes your truck actually work for you. Today, we're covering the best toolbox options out there for the F-150. Links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 6 with the TruXedo TonneauMate. And this one doesn't sit on top of your bed rails like a traditional box. It clamps underneath your tonneau cover and mounts elevated above the bed floor. So your entire floor stays open for cargo, while your gear stays hidden and locked above it. Holds up to 200 pounds, works as a toolbox, cooler, or general storage bin, and can be positioned anywhere, front, middle, or rear of the bed. Made in the USA, backed by a 2-year no-hassle guarantee. The perfect add-on if you already run a tonneau cover. At number 5, the UnderCover SwingCase plays by completely different rules. It mounts over the wheel well and swings out nearly 180 degrees toward you at the tailgate, so your bed access is never blocked. Holds up to 75 pounds, locking lid, moisture seal, and even cup holders on top for tailgate season. Compatible with virtually all tonneau covers, installs in minutes, and it's portable. Unclip it and take it with you. Made in the USA, backed by a 1-year guarantee. Number 4 is decked, and this completely reimagines what a truck bed can do. 2 full-length drawers slide out from the tailgate so you can reach every tool without digging around, while the solid deck on top still hauls up to 2,000 pounds of cargo. Weatherproof seals handle car washes and dust without breaking a sweat. Made in the USA from recycled materials on a galvanized steel frame, backed by a lifetime guarantee. Comes loaded with organizer accessories out of the box. This is the setup for guys who truly live out of their truck. At number 3, VEVOR is your straightforward, budget-friendly crossover pick. 48 inches wide, with room for buckets, tools, fire extinguishers, and more. The overhanging lid creates a tight water seal, so your gear stays dry in the rain. Gas strut opens the lid to 110 degrees and holds it there hands-free. Wide handles are comfortable even with gloves on, a small thing that matters a lot on a cold job site morning. Stainless steel lock with 2 keys, double powder coat to resist rust. Solid value, no frills. Coming in at number 2, UWS brings the most refined crossover box on this list. The patented foam-filled lid won't warp, bind, or flex over years of daily use. Opens to a full 90 degrees and stays there with self-opening struts even when your hands are full. A micro-seal gasket keeps out moisture, dust, and insects. Low-profile design keeps your rear window view clear. Built-in screwdriver holders and a 3-compartment sliding tray keep small items from disappearing. Assembled in the USA, available in multiple sizes. This is the box you buy once. And the top spot goes to oEdRo, and here's the twist. This one goes under the rear seats, not in the bed. If your cab is always cluttered with jumper cables, tools, a snow brush, or stuff you just don't want visible, this solves it completely. 2-piece design, 1 large box plus a bonus smaller one. Integrates cleanly under the back seats with dividers to stop things rattling around. Anti-skid texture keeps everything in place. Installs in under 5 minutes with the included screws. Smart, hidden, and completely out of the way. A game changer for daily drivers. And that's the 6 best toolbox options for your Ford F-150. From a hidden underseat cabin organizer all the way up to a full bed drawer system. Every use case is covered. All the links are right there in the video description. Go grab the one that fits how you use your truck. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. More F-150 content every week. Catch you in the next one.